Good morning, dear students. Today we will cover page number 18 about animal myths. Myth is a misconception, a widely held belief or idea which is not true. So after reading this chapter, you will come to know about the wrong notions about animals and the facts about these animals. So let's start. So first one here is boa and pythons give birth to live young ones. It is a myth. Boa constrictors are ovoviviparous creatures, which means their eggs emerge and hatch inside of the body. Pythons are oviparous creatures, which means they lay eggs, take care of them till the young ones hatch the egg to come out. So they don't give birth to live young ones, they lay eggs. Next is crocodiles cry while eating their prey. Now before I tell you whether it is a myth or a fact, I want to tell you something about crocodiles. Crocodiles do have tear ducts. They weep to lubricate their eyes, typically when they have been out of water for a long time and their eyes begin to dry out. So crocodiles cry while eating their prey. It is a fact. Why and how? The researchers suggest that the weeping may be caused by the hissing of warm air during feeding while eating, which is forced through the sinuses, stimulating the animal's tear glands. It means while they are eating their prey, the warm air that enters through their sinuses, passes through their sinuses, it stimulates their tear glands and the tears come out and we feel that crocodile is crying while eating its prey. Next one is ostriches bury their heads in the ground when they are afraid of something or when they sense danger. Now is it true? It is a myth. It is not true. Ostriches don't bury their head in the sand. They wouldn't be able to breathe. But they do dig holes in the dirt to use as nests for their eggs. And several times a day, a bird puts her head in the hole and turns the eggs. Next is camels store water in their humps. So you might have heard that camel is called the ship of desert, right? And that camel can stay alive without eating or drinking water for many days in the desert. It is true, but does the hump of the camel contains water? No, it is a myth. A camel's hump doesn't hold water at all. It actually stores fat. The camel uses its nourishment when food is scarce or when the food is not available in the desert. The hump will become limp and droop down. The hump is not used for water storage, but camels can go for long periods of time without water. Next is only male Indian elephants have tusks. Yes, it is a fact. Next one, bulls react to the color red. It is a myth. It is not true because bulls along with all other cattle are color blind to red. They cannot recognize the red color. Thus, the bull is likely irritated not by the muletta's color but by the cape's movement, as the matador, a person who is also known as bullfighter, as the matador whips or moves the cape around. So this movement of the cape irritates the bull and he counterattacks. Next is cats hate taking baths. It is a myth. Some domestic cats actually enjoy water, particularly if they live in a region that has a hot, dry climate. The water is cool and refreshing, and the cat may swim or soak in it. But just as with people, cats in colder climates, when it is too cold, they don't like to get completely wet because it causes them to lose their body heat. Next one is bats are blind. It is also a myth because bats hunt in the dark using echolocation, meaning they use echoes of self-produced sounds bouncing off objects to help them navigate. But that doesn't mean bats can't see. In fact, research shows that depending on the circumstances, bats sometimes prefer using eyesight to sound when hunting. So bats are not blind. Now your fact file. Have you heard about this phrase, playing possum? Now this phrase is based on the animal called the possum, or found mostly in Australia, North America and South America. So when this animal feels threatened, they lie on their sides and pretend to be dead. So the phrase playing possum means to pretend to be dead or asleep. Now here is the book page 18 for you. You can note down all these facts and myths into your notebook and also the fact file and learn them properly.